What's up, you guys? I am back.
I'm back. She's back.
What's up, you guys? I am back yet again with another haul video. I wanted to show you guys some cool products that I got at MAC Cosmetics. I actually haven't been back to MAC for a while, but I stopped by the counter because I had a lot of empties. If you don't know what empties are, is you have to sign up for a MAC program. It is free. It's just like a rewards program. But if you have a lot of MAC products, like lipsticks that are like dried out, expired, or whatever the case is, don't throw these away. Collect them. I don't have my bag with me, but like you can return this after they're done, like this, the foundations, the powders, any MAC product, as long as it's not a Viva Glam product, or like a holiday or like a sample, anything like that. So you guys can recycle these. So it's like their recycle program. So you give these back to MAC, and then they give you, for every 6, you will get either at a MAC store, you can get either 1 lipstick or 1 lip gloss or a free, or one of the eyeshadows. You have to pick one. But if you go to a counter, you can only receive a lipstick. Fun fact, I had a lot of empties and I went to MAC to return my empties, and I already knew what I wanted. So for the first couple things I had is I ended up getting a lipstick. I ended up getting Yash. Oh, here it is. Let me see if I can. Oh, she's so beautiful. Yeah, see, that's that beautiful like nude color. And I wanted to get this one because I was looking for nude, like a nude lipstick. And then I ended up getting Myth. I love it, and what I was wanting to do is I'm going to put this one, I'm going to do Yash all over and Myth right in the center for like a little pop of lightness in there. So that's what I was thinking. Same thing with the lip gloss. I got See-Through and Lust. I've already been using Lust because it's like the perfect nude color. These are the MAC lip glosses, and it's a pretty big amount, so you get this for free. I had a lot of them. You can only return 24 empties at a time at MAC. See, it's like the perfect nude. I love it. And then this is See-Through. Oh, can't wait to wear these. Amazing. So I go to the store and I return my empties, right? Everything's going normal, how it's supposed to go. Then I walk over to this section. Holy crap, this is where everything hits the fan.
If you know what I'm talking about.
So they have a new collection. So this is a Hyper Real foundation, and I got the color Rose Gold FX. Just wait for this. So this is supposed to be a foundation with illuminizer. You're supposed to shake it, and it is amazing. So you can either put this over your foundation or under your foundation. It's not supposed to be like just your foundation, but I loved the color so much and like the luminosity that you got from it that I ended up getting it. So here is the foundation. Yeah, so it has that like sheen to it. You see? It's gorgeous. I'm so excited to use this. And it is 1 ounce. You can use this for back to MAC as well. And with the collection, they had these powder highlights. I'm a sucker for highlights, so I ended up getting silver dusk and golden bronze So these are ridiculous. Like, I still have one. It was like gold something, and it was from MAC. It was in the same, it was like the same shape, same size, not the same size, same shape, kind of same style packaging. But mine was a little bit bigger. Okay, so the first color is Silver Dust, and this is Golden Bronze. Yeah, they are amazing. And lastly, I'm a big fan of MAC's Dazzle shadows, and they liquefied them. So now they come in liquid form, and the one that I got is Every Day is Sunshine, because I'm like, oh my god, this is gonna look beautiful if it's like on the inner corner tear duct. So that's the intention that I got it for, but of course you can use it for everything. I mean, look at it. Amazing. Ooh, that's so pretty. Yeah, this one's beautiful. It's like a pearl, just champagne-y color. Like, I'm obsessed with it. Was that everything? Yes, once again, that is all for my haul. I will be creating some looks for you guys with these products. So obviously I'm so extra that these are the things that I go for. What are you gonna do? Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I just want to make quick videos, short videos for you guys. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. A little quick video for you guys, and have a great day, and thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and we will see you soon. Bye.